My name is Surya. I am skilled in warehouse operations and procurement management. By performing this video to audit World Skill Council Career Development Certificate, I have learned more about the warehouse, importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the relevance of international business and logistics. Warehouse operations and procurement management. Types of warehouse. First one, private warehouse, owned and operated exclusive for one organization. Second one, public warehouse. This is part of a complex of several warehouses belong to different companies working out of a common compound. Third one, government warehouse are owned and operated by government organizations. There for their own use or for other rental basis. Corporate warehouse are owned and operated by private individuals joining hands to from and registered cooperative federations. Warehouse can be different in their functional methodology. Stock transfer warehouse do not have any customers attached and have no commercial transactions and simply operate as large storehouse for finished product to be transferred to other units and warehouse as demanded. Sixth one, export warehouses keep materials only for export and cannot do domestic goods transfer. These are established with special permission exclusive for export in specified zones and are intended for exported inactive benefits. Sound on bond warehouse will be does not store only duty payable goods and goods. Once duty paid will be keep it sparely identified and moved out within suitable number of hours. These warehouses need customers collectors permissions to operate and will be subject to customs checks routinely. Special warehouses operate for specialized listed high value goods as scheduled from time to time by the government and only by licenses. This image of bond warehouses. Container freight stations provide space and handle intermodal containers that cater to importers to handle materials that arrive in containers and to quarantine the incoming goods for an allowed period till customs clearance is obtained and duty paid. 10th one, inland container depot is a bond warehouse for imported goods away from source and container handler. It has produced to stuff and the used stuff goods as required for patent bonding. Number one, cold storage warehouse are large exclusive further areas and part of much need cool chains for handling vegetable goods like fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, etc. The goods are expected to be kept in the range of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade all the time, keeping the products in healthy condition all along. 12. Canal warehouses are exclusive to areas where they are in waterfront and utilize water transportations for movements around and inside large warehouse areas. The warehouse are built with waterfront extending into the warehouse with the built up ramp to load and unload goods. 13. Open yard warehouse are for large items that can be kept in the open. Manufactured cars, trucks, and bus chassis which later undergo change but space are stored in open yard with yard management. management system. 14. Retail warehouse are swarming the world right now, resulting in enormous trade benefits. They need ample space. Most of the warehouse activity in them, some from other, deal with enormous volumes every day. Containerization. Containerization is a system of freight transport based on a range of steel intermodal containers. Containers are built to standardized dimensions. The containers can be loaded and unloaded, stocked, transport efficiently over a long distance and transferred from one mode of transport to another. Container ships, rail and semi-trailer trucks without being opened. Advantage of containers. First one, faster loading and unloading.